Welcome to Jones Healthcare. In this series of videos, we provide step-by-step instruction on how to assemble our range of adherence packaging. Today we will review how to assemble and seal our autofill adherence package using SynMed automated workflow solutions. Ensuring that the printed side is facing down, align the grid panels with the pins on the SynMed tray. Repeat this process for every panel on the tray. Place all of your blisters within the grid panels on the SynMed tray. When all the panels and blisters have been placed, insert the tray into the SynMed machine, and follow SynMed's instructions to operate the machine. As you move through this video, please note that you will repeat the following steps for all 12 cards in the tray. Once the loaded medication has been verified for accuracy, locate the pre-separated adhesive panel and remove the liner. With the adhesive facing down, orient the adhesive panel over the blister and grid panel on the tray. Align the panel to the pins on the tray and ensure the panel is positioned accurately before applying pressure to engage adhesive. Being careful not to roll over the pins, use a 4-inch roller to apply vertical and horizontal pressure to the card. Roll multiple times and over all edges of the card to ensure a tight seal. Turn the card over and affix the medication summary label to the inside cover. Bend the spine and cover of the card, and the autofill adherence package is now ready to dispense. Please note, before dispensing, the pharmacist should instruct the patient on the proper use of the autofill adherence package. To access the contents of a blister, the patient can turn over the card, puncture the blister backing, peel back the label, and remove the medication.
Before dispensing, ensure the pharmacist has verified the medications for accuracy. Please note that the card is not child-resistant and should be stored out of the reach of children. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you're looking to place an order, contact the Jones team today.